Everyone, this is Mohammad Jishan Khan, and you are watching Sarv Bharat platform. Just 2 days before, one of the honorable former judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Markandeya Karju, arrived in our platform and wrote an article in which he appealed to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, respected Modi ji. The talks between the farmer representative and the central government minister have so far been inconclusive, and the next talks have been scheduled for 5th December. While the government seemed inclined to consider some modification and farmers appear immovable and obdurate in their demand that all the three laws which they object to be repealed. The farmer agitation has now reached alarming height, and now everything thing turn on you, since it is you alone who can resolve these impasses. Respectfully, I wish to appeal to you to accept this via media, which I had suggested earlier. The three laws to which the farmers are objecting may remain, but they will not be enforced till further negotiation in the future with the farmer organization, after which some mutually accepted formula is reached, and if agreed upon by the parties, some amendment to these laws are made. This should be announced by you immediately. By repealing this law immediately, it will avoid loss of face for your government, and by not enforcing them, it will also be a partial success for the agitating farmers. Thus, it will be partial success for the both sides. If this announcement is not done, I fear the imminent consequences scenario will be something like this. First, the agitating farmer who seems adamant or continuing their struggle will block all roads leading to Delhi. Some are already blocked, causing immense hardship and suffering to the people of Delhi and elsewhere. Second, the government naturally cannot and will not tolerate this situation for long, and will then order the police to disperse the agitators by force. Since the agitator will not voluntarily disperse, they will be fired upon or lathi charged by the police, causing huge loss of life and injuries, as happened on Bloody Sunday in St. Petersburg, Germany, 1905, when Jarris troops fired on the agitators, or as in the Vendemiaire in Paris in October 1795, when Napoleon's troops fired a whiff of grape shot on the mob. Third, if this happened, it seems inevitable if the via media I have suggested is not adopted. Huge agitation will begin in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP, disrupting normal life of the people, and there will be a repercussion in other states too, where many people will hold massive demonstration in the support of the farmer. The result of all this will be that the whole country will be engulfed in disorder and chaos. The economy is already in the bad shape, and will be further plunged toward down. The economy is already in the bad shape and will be further plunged downward, causing immense suffering, turbulence, and misery to the people. This will also give further encouragement to the China, which is already breathing down our neck, to commit further aggression, as indeed suggested by the Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh in his recent talks with the Union Home Minister. In this situation, I appeal to you on the behalf of the people to rise to the occasion and show statesmanship, as you have often done in the past, and make the announcement mentioned above. And I fear the vast and national calamities as an alternative. This is an article by the former judge of the Supreme Court, Justice Markandeya Karju. If you want to read the full article, I have provided the link in the description. Jai Hind.